This is the best kept secret in town. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. And remember, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. In this video, what I'll be doing is taking down these wall cabinets and replacing them with another freestanding cabinet by Gladiator. Let's get into it. So let's talk about what's going on here. Over the past several years, I've developed this collection of sorts. And if you've been following this channel for a long time, you might remember that I had an old wooden cabinet here on the wall. Then I upgraded to these Gladiator cabinets because my collection expanded. And now my collection has grown so wildly out of control that I actually need another freestanding cabinet that's deeper, taller, and just overall has more space. Plus, the freestanding cabinet has a lock on it. These wall cabinets don't. Seeing as to how I have hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of valuable items inside these cabinets, it's probably a good idea to get a lock on them. This is the best kept secret in town. Now you might be saying, JB, what's your collection about? Well, if you've been paying attention to all the pop-ups that I throw in the videos in the past, you might have a clue, and you might even get a good idea in some upcoming videos. If you have a good guess as to what you think my collection is all about, feel free to leave a clean, non-offensive comment down below. Oh boy, it's gonna get crazy down there. I can tell you this, I think the collection is pretty cool. The Garage Gale might tell you a little differently. It's nothing inappropriate, but it is a collection that has grown quite extensively over the years. Something else that's pretty wild is only a select few of people in this world actually know what was in these cabinets. Somebody told me long ago that you gotta collect something in this world, but you gotta make it cool. And I said, right on. Since I've outgrown these cabinets so fast, these are actually gonna go to my dad, and then that'll clear up a lot of space for the new cabinet. I am gonna lose a little bit of floor space down here, but sacrifices have to be made. You can see that I have taken my collection out here on this side as well. Nothing. All right, let's get these cabinets down.
Oh boy, what are you doing now?
Having some fun, man. Good, you're here.
Installing or installing?
Taking these down, putting in another cabinet. You mind holding this real quick? Thanks. I just gotta pop this one. Man, good timing.
I really wanted to get on video saying, someone's struggling.
Yeah. Well, the camera is running. There we go. I thought I took them all out, but apparently I missed one. All right. Good?
Yeah, it's on my tippy toes.
I got it. I got it.
Good?
Yep. They're not that heavy. They're big and awkward. A lot of empty wall space up there. So you can see over here, we got the new one sitting in the truck. Let's get it out. Let's cut this baby open. All right, let's have a look here. So here's what we got. Here's the base, here's the top, here's the side panels. These are all the back panels. Then you have there the two doors, and then those are the shelves. And then over here on the floor, these are the adjustable feet. This over here is all the hardware for this guy. I like how they nicely package this so you know exactly what's what. This is super well thought out. So these cabinets are actually pretty easy to put together. I'm sorry, I just can't justify paying the extra couple $100 when it's all just nuts and bolts. What you want to look for is these up arrows on each panel and face them up. You're just gonna line up your corners like this. You're gonna notice your bolt holes line up. You're gonna wanna send these in loosely because when you flip this over and do the back side, it'll make adjustments a little bit easier. That'll do. Same thing here on the bottom. Now the top corner and this top corner. All right, so now here's why you want the back corners loose, because in order to get this whole back panel straight and to slide into place nicely, you're gonna wanna pivot this a little bit. You can always tighten them down later. Here is the A panel, this is gonna go on top, and then the B panel, C, D, and E, and so on, just kinda slide right underneath. And then you're just gonna bolt them down on the sides. All right, so now the backside is all screwed down. We're gonna flip it over. It's all now reinforced. We can tighten down our corner bolts. All right, now we're gonna pop in our corner bolts again. This whole unit is pretty square now, so we're just gonna tighten them right down. The next step is gonna be tightening up these panels. As you can see, they kind of bow out a little bit. They have two bolt holes here and then in each corner. So what we're gonna do is take a 1/2 inch nut and our bolt and cinch them down. Next, we're just gonna screw in all the feet. Time out. Would you mind taking a super quick second to smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm? Thanks. All right, so I mounted the shelves in here, and that was actually really easy. It was just 2 bolts on each shelf on each end. Now we got to put on the doors, but in order to do that, it's probably going to be easier if we stand the shelf up and then hang the doors that way. All right, the new shelf is in place. The new feet adjusters are where they need to be. This floor is very unlevel. It just slants right down. It looks good. It's pretty much flush with the wall. Let's get the doors on. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put 1 screw in each corner, just like this. And then from here, just hang the door on those screws. They kind of drop into their slot. Voila. Next, I'm just going to tighten these screws down and down here too. Now we're just going to put our screws in along the rest of the door. All right, let's hang the other door. It's 1 and 2. She's now hung. I'm going to pop in the other screws now and then make my adjustments. There we go. Solid. And the best part? Lock it up. Well, guys and gals, that's how you assemble a Gladiator Garage freestanding cabinet. This thing just looks big and bad. And remember, if you want to take a guess as to what you think I store in this cabinet, leave your best guess down below in the comments. Please keep it clean and non-offensive, and I can tell you what's going in this cabinet is really cool. Don't forget to give me one of these, and be sure to check out more cool garage gear videos right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.